Hello to everyone, good day to all. It's me Heather Zishan from Yamaguchi Motors. Welcome again in my another video. Today's video is about a very beautiful Toyota Prius G grade car which is from 2011 model and the mileage is 100,000 kilometer, which mean 1 kilometer. The color of this car is red and looks very beautiful, neat, clean from inside, outside, glassy look. I will let you know the main options of this car, like this car have drive recorder, 2 year of inspection, TV, Bluetooth, back camera, advanced navigation, steering buttons, fabric seats, new tires. The price of this car is 6,50,000 yen, mean Rokujugo man. Shipping is free all over the Japan, and if you are interested you can let me know. You can message our Facebook page or you can contact us on our cell phone number 090-8051-1888. Thank you very much for your support, and you can see the car photos and videos after this clip.